Mindian Electric Company Limited was founded in 2009 and is located in Zhejiang, Wenzhou. We have a general investment of 108 million RMB and a plant area of 5,933 square meters. Mindian Electric Company Limited has abundant financial resources. As a professional combiner box, DC circuit breaker, DC fuse, DC SPD, MC4 connector supplier, we have excellent teams who focus on product development and design, quality control and inspection, and company running. Besides, because of large overseas markets, most of our products have got CE, CQC, ISO 9001, ISO 14001 certificates. Since the company's long-term development, it has formed a stable cooperation with many famous companies at home and abroad. The cumulative installed capacity of the company's projects reached 5 gigawatts. Cumulative projects done more than 1,000. We have formed a stable cooperation with the world's top 500 companies and have won unanimous praise from the other party.